Well, this sucks. I scheduled my video to go public at 7, and turns out BItconnect shut down its operations, and everyone invested in BItconnect basically lost all their money because of the sellout and the price dropping down to near $20. So to withdraw your money, you just gotta keep trying and trying, refreshing BItconnect, keep trying to log in. And I withdrew my money to this QT wallet like BItconnect said you could do, and I was planning on just holding it, trying to get the most back out of my investment. But whenever I open the BItconnect wallet, it just says out of sync. We'll try opening it back up again. We'll let it load. See, it still says out of sync and it won't go in sync. And if I hit transactions, my BItconnect tokens are not there yet. And then BItconnect has not updated on their Twitter since. And they released that news article obviously on their website, but at that point there were so many people trying to withdraw their coins that the website was basically just down. So, and then if you check out this video, this is the video I scheduled to upload. So it uploaded January 16th, and just earlier it went down and everyone lost their money. And I am a fairly new channel and haven't been getting much views, but this video got 89 views and 8 dislikes. So lots of hate on this video, and this dude called me out. He said, "Dude, in the video it seems like he is handicapped." No, I'm not handicapped, but if you want to think that, sure, but I'm sure you just think that because I uploaded this video at the wrong time, and unfortunately BItconnect shut down. And then he said troll thread, and so I responded to all of these comments, and I told this guy I scheduled the upload and got unlucky. And then this guy said, "And you're promoting a website that has shut down. Why did you upload this today?" And then this guy said, maybe because he thinks, and he linked my video saying that BItconnect is not exit scamming, because I really did believe they weren't going to exit scam, and I still don't think they exit scammed. And if you want to consider it an exit scam, go ahead, because I mean, you could call it an exit scam, but it's a very smart exit scam, if anything, because they still paid back their users, but in BItconnect tokens. So everyone basically lost their money, but they still paid people back. And you put BItconnect tokens into the platform, so they gave you BItconnect tokens back. But that didn't work out for most people. And then I told this guy, I said I scheduled it, and it just so happened that they shut down before it uploaded. And then this guy said, "And it's worthless." And I said, "Yep, everything will be alright." So this sucks, but I'm just taking it as a learning opportunity. I don't think I'll get into any other lending platforms at this moment. I'm going to stick with Hashflare because I can trust Hashflare. It's a mining site, so mining is completely legitimate as long as they for sure have their facilities and you can tell that they're transparent and they're not trying to scam. But with this, like lots of people said in the first place, they pay out in USD, which is a big reason why those cease and desist orders were issued. And so, with all that trouble, BItconnect just decided to shut down. And I really think that was the wrong decision. I think they should have worked it out because they could have been very successful, but they decided to shut down. And they didn't necessarily scam. They sent everyone their BItconnect tokens. But, I mean, thanks for the views though. That's nice. My videos usually average anywhere from 3 to 10 views. So 89 views is good. So I guess BItconnect shutting down is helping me out a little bit, even though I got 8 dislikes, so that's not that good. So I'm just gonna take this as a learning experience, like I said. I'm gonna be very careful on what I promote on this channel. I'm gonna make my best effort to give you guys only the best platforms, and I'm gonna be veering off into the entrepreneur style channel like I intended this channel on being. Crypto has just been on the rise lately, so I've been making a lot of videos on crypto. But after this, I only lost $280, but for me, just starting out, that was quite a bit. But I have money into Hashflare, so I can technically earn that back in a year. It just sucks that now the profit that I'm getting from Hashflare isn't technically profit, it's just making up for what I lost. But everything will be alright. I made my 2018 goals video, and I'm still going to hit all those goals. I'm going to make sure it happens. And like I said, I'm just going to make sure that I try my best to promote only the best stuff on this channel. And I do not want to fall into something like BItconnect again. And I'm going to do a lot more research on Devore Coin. I know I made a video on that, but I haven't invested yet, and I'm not suggesting you invest yet. I would just give it some time, and hopefully I'll get these BItconnect tokens, and that's all I have to say. I don't really know what to think or say about this. It just really sucks, but you know, these kinds of things happen, and everyone always says don't put in any money that you can't afford to lose, and I guess I could afford to lose that. It sucks, but it's not the end of the world. I'm still gonna hit my goals for 2018. I'm still gonna try my best to be successful, and crypto, I just don't know. I just need some time because this is a big scare, but I know that I'll still figure things out, and I'll show you guys my journey, and that's what this channel is about. It's my journey to doing a bunch of different business ventures and entrepreneurship things. And guess what? I failed. That's alright. Everyone learns from their failures, and sure, this sucks, but this is going to make me a better investor, and I'm going to be looking out for things like BItconnect from now on. And I wouldn't say BItconnect was a Ponzi scheme at all. They were a legitimate company. They just made the decision to shut down, and businesses shut down every single day all around the world. It's just like any other business shutting down and closing operations, but it just sucks that this was an investment business, but everything will be alright. I'll figure it out, and I'll keep uploading videos, and I'm going to put this up right when I'm done, so tomorrow I won't have an upload. This will count as tomorrow's upload, but that's about it. If you hate me because I liked BItconnect, that's fine, but then if you want to still get some more informational videos, just show some love. Don't hate, because hating's not going to get you anywhere. Everyone makes mistakes. Everyone makes bad decisions. Things happen. So just don't leave any hate. Subscribe if you want to. I'll keep making videos. This is just the start of my channel, so I'm going to be getting better and better every single day. And I'm just glad I wasn't one of those big guys promoting BItconnect and then crashing, because they're going through a rough time right now. I have 36 subscribers and they're basically all dead, so it doesn't affect me much, but I'll just keep making better videos every day. So subscribe if you want to keep me accountable for that, and I'll see you guys in a few days, I guess. See ya.